What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Jay Reed for Jay Reed's Love of Cars. Now, this is the same day as the previous video, but I decided to break it up in two videos because it's kind of two different things that's going on. In the last video, we was putting these street tires back on because we're not going to be going to the track in this type of weather no time soon. And then the second part is because my homeboy gave me a call, the one with the Z06, the red Z06 that came over, picked it up from the auction. Great buy. Well, he took it to the shop, had them look at it. All the mechanical issues are fixed. Engine was tuned. That bad boy is making 571 horsepower, which is crazy. And it's been to the paint and body shop, so he got all of that done. New headlights, new wheels and tires, street setup wheels and tires. And man, I want to say he even got new tail lights too. He got a ground effects kit, but I don't think that that's on there yet. But anyway, he was coming over around the neighborhood anyway, so he should be over here in a few minutes to let me see how it looks. And I cannot wait because the pictures, that red, it literally looks like a 50K car. It literally looks like this car is 50,000. I guarantee you, if you were to put this car, let me put it like this. Nobody's gonna spend 50K on a C6 nowadays. But I will say this, if he were to list it online for 50K, nobody would frown up on it. That's how good it looks on the picture. And it's mechanically sound now. It's like, it's a perfect C6 Z06. So anyway, he'll be over here shortly to let me see it. And I cannot wait. Dang, man. Ooh, that bitch show up good. Good on camera too. Oh, yeah. Man, them chrome wheels look good. Good Lord. Boy, that paint. Oh, man, I didn't realize paint could make this. I thought it was fine the way it was. Even with that.
Bro, man,
but this is.
I tell you, he painted, man. He was telling me about the eye drops, fish eyes in the paint. I don't know if you know what that is.
Yeah, where it's like the swirls or whatnot.
Yeah, he was showing me that car had been painted 3 different times, and it was 3 different colors. And I was like, wow, bro. But he took.
You got the headlights too.
One by one.
So these are the ones like mine.
Yeah.
Man, yours fit a whole lot better. Y'all did a whole lot better.
No, we found out how to adjust them.
No, I'm just talking about I'm talking about like around here, your fitment is much better.
It's got 3 different bolts on it, right?
Right. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so we kept taking them apart and then we screwed certain parts tighter.
Yeah.
And just kept moving them around.
See, I didn't do that.
I know.
I was tired as hell.
You need 2 people. You need somebody up under there. And then you gotta hold somebody to hold it.
Yeah.
And then adjust it.
No, I didn't do nothing there, man. I was so fatigued. I was just ready to get that shit in there.
Kingpin right there.
What are you talking about?
That.
Man, I want to use that so bad.
What is these?
Nitrous. That's the nitrous.
But why does it have it going out toward the window? Is that the air?
That's the purge. Like, let's just say I done made some pools with the nitrous and I cut it off. Well, it's just like gas. It's still nitrous in the line. And you don't want that pressure beating on your solenoids.
So it pushes out up here.
Yeah, so I got a button.
And you got pressure down there.
Huh?
And you got pressure down there.
Yeah, that's pressure.
Now I'm talking about air coming out the bottom.
Oh, yeah. This is nitrous that come out of there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because these are this one is the nitrous line. That's the fuel line for the tank in the trunk. So you don't want the car just sitting with that nitrous in this line. So you hit that button and let it out of the lines.
Man, I bought a thing online at what's the name of it? This is the part that I'm missing right here.
Oh, that.
This.
Oh shit! I wouldn't have never. I didn't even know that was there.
Each piece, like there's one side is 170. That one side 150, 170. So that's what's coming in.
Good Lord! So
this from here to here is $170, bro.
Is it because it's kind of like rare or something?
Yeah, you can't find it.
Man, see that's the thing about these.
When you're looking at that, you can see the gap. You can see it that's not in there. You see it?
Ah, I do. You park it in the garage, don't you?
Yeah. I ain't worried about it.
Yeah. Man, that paint look good.
Oh yeah, and then the lip.
Yeah, that lip on that red paint is popping. Those are the same fog lights?
Yeah.
Same front grill?
The thing about it is we just took them and he showed me some stuff how to clean them. And that was all over that night was cleaning them.
Man, even that black, the black mesh grill look neat.
You know what?
You paint that?
Yeah.
You look it.
I power washed it at the house and then took it up there to them and they just spray painted. But they only like $100.
Yeah, I mean that's one of the things where like if you're gonna go through the trouble, you may as well pay attention to detail.
I cannot get that. We cannot fix that bin right here.
So these got like it's a little clip that eventually wears out.
And
it's probably
we
wearing
tried
out.
to sand it down up under there to try to make it even. Man, we couldn't do nothing to that clip. Man, we put this bump on 3 times trying.
Mine do the same
right
thing.
Now where the paint done chipped on it. I'm gonna have to
y'all was screwing with it. Dang. Yeah. That's a once you get these cars, you realize it's a lot of quirks. It's a lot of known issues.
So it is something missing right here. Look right there by the window, by the thing.
Oh yeah, you missing it looked like that broke off.
But it's on both sides even.
It's definitely missing.
Missing something, right?
Mm-hmm.
But see, yours goes all the way down.
Let's see.
It's all complete.
Oh dang. Still a little gap there. I wonder what you said this a 2008? Maybe.
You know what I'm saying? It ain't been, he didn't cut it. So it's something that goes there. That see how it's got the little bracket there?
Oh yeah. Yeah,
so
you missing something.
I don't know what it is. So I said I'm gonna find a Z06 and find out what it is. But man, you can't beat that stand.
Man, you can't.
In the back.
And you say these are 20s? 19s in the front, 20s in the back?
Yeah. But I don't think it's lowered.
No, it's lowered. That's what I was concerned with is with them 20s because it was already riding on the fender with the other ones, but your tires are low enough to where it's not rubbing.
I went down like a smaller size.
I see.
Sidewall. And I'm kind of scared, man. And when I did a pull against a Camaro a while ago, and off of 287.
What did it do?
Man, that sucker was just you can feel it.
I told you.
Yeah.
You see what I'm talking about?
As a matter of fact, in every gear,
it's gonna spin.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
From 3rd, 4th to 5th, you can feel it spinning.
And that's gonna get on your nerves. Because that person gonna say, "Dude, I just beat the shit out of this Z06," and he don't even have a clue.
So bad
you ain't had a tire.
Basic Camaro, and I already burnt his ass in 4th gear.
Mm-hmm.
By the time I look at, I was at 105, and he was behind me.
Mm-hmm.
When I slowed down, then all of a sudden he comes zooming by.
He like, dude, I ran. I beat the shit out. I can't stand that.
But you can feel it. You can feel it. You can maybe by 4 or 5 seconds, you feel it moving. I mean, you can feel it slipping.
And if you're doing it,
at all.
and if you're doing it with traction control on, it's gonna sound like something. The traction control on these cars because they're so old, it ain't as good as like your Grand Sport. Mm-hmm. That traction control, you may not even know when it's kicking in. You'll know when it's kicking in because it'll be like, the car will just lay over because it's pulling timing. I think that's what it's doing.
Oh yeah, man. But he did it. He, like I said, he took the top panel off.
Man.
He took the piece here.
Dude, look how this looking. This come up here and look how this is popping on this phone.
And you know what's so bad about it? When we thought we were going to have to buy a new fender,
yeah,
it was just a bracket that was bent.
That was bent.
So they had hit something in the bracket, but he was.
Look at how this popping.
Oh yeah.
Dude, that chrome look good, man.
Oh, yeah. And I told everybody, kept saying, try black. Man, I'm gonna try chrome, boss.
Black. I mean, I would have said
everybody has black, so I just
everybody got black.
Something different.
Yeah.
But no, I'm done with that. It ain't nothing else I want to do to it. That's why I said the side skirts.
Dang.
I thought about them, but I don't know if I'm gonna do them.
I mean, you see, I took mine off. I mean, I didn't really have no choice though. But
even on my other bed, I when I get out, sometimes I have to step wide.
Yeah. I mean, it will look. I mean, at this point, it's clean as fuck now. It's probably one of the cleanest ones on the street as far as Z06.
He details.
Mm-hmm.
Man, when this dude,
You say he in Fort Worth?
Huh?
Did you tell me? Did I know he was in Fort Worth?
The guy that detailed?
Yeah. Well, no. The one that did the paint.
Yeah.
Oh man, them brake calipers. Man, I could say it was money. It was definitely money well spent. You got the side markers. So which one do you like more now? Your Grand Sport or this one?
Huh?
So which one do you like more now? The Grand Sport or this one?
Man, Grand Sport gone parked in the square garage. Man, when I tell you, he cleaned up the engine, everything. And you remember how dirty it was.
Yeah, I need to clean up mine. I don't even know how to clean it without.
He has this spray
Mm-hmm.
that he sprays on it. It's not wrong. And he said it's 100% safe for motors.
Yeah, 'cause I don't want to get it in.
He sprayed that. He sprayed that and everything. Cause remember this was real dry.
Yeah.
He sprayed everything.
Dude, there's some thick ass headers. So they replaced your okay. So they put the MSDs on there.
Yeah, you can.
That's the same as I got.
So when I got it out, I took it straight to the paint body. I still smell the gaskets burning.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's gasket or what, but yeah.
Man, that bad boy is clean. Man, your engine bay look roomy. Oh, that's why. That's right. 'Cause your battery's in the trunk. Mine is up front.
It needs some love.
Oh, dude, I'm getting too close. My bad. I think I accidentally touched it.
Oh, man.
Shit, please hell. I ain't even whoop my ass.
But yeah, when I tell you he sprayed the whole thing off. He even took the vacuum your top off.
Dang.
Damn, bro, you doing a lot here, man.
And you said you got some. You got
Yeah,
another one of them coming
this
in,
to
don't you?
match
A flag or
The
something.
bag and the carpet that I bought.
Dude, this spoiler look good.
And hell, the spoiler by itself wasn't but $130 off Amazon.
And you didn't have to use no screws. Dude, I screwed mine.
That's what I didn't want to do a drill. You had to drill yours in?
I drilled, and the whole time I was like this. My butt cheeks were tight as hell.
So you had to do the one with the two on each side?
Yeah, I want to
that's what
say.
I didn't want to do.
I just put like tape over it so it
So I
wouldn't.
just put double-sided sticky tape. I did like 5 strips on both sides and just cleaned it with good alcohol, and that was it.
Yeah,
Hope it don't blow off down the highway somewhere.
he probably won't.
Yeah. But it sits over your original tail. I don't know if you noticed that.
That one sits over the whole tail.
Yeah, it sits over the original tail.
Oh yeah, the
you
brake
can
light
see it,
thing.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
so it sits over the original little scoop.
Yeah, that's true.
And it has some holes in there where you can drill it and do it.
Mm-hmm.
But man, you just can't beat this stance in the back.
Dude, that is nasty. Dude, that look like a. Dude, that look like a whole different car.
And we was gonna get on the tollway.
Yeah.
And I was sitting behind you. I said, "Why my back don't look like that?"
It did though, man. Your back,
Yeah, dude.
your back was fat as shit when you was pulling off.
But yeah, it's ready now.
Dude, that black, like the black taillights on that red against that chrome, that's different. Bruh. Man, that motherfucker giving me a boner. God damn.
Boy, that motherfucker, I told her, man, that motherfucker sit just right, bro.
Man, that bitch is sitting just right. God, dog.